Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars, latest video for this Volvo V90. This is the D4 Inscription model, so it's a 2-litre diesel, 8-speed automatic. It's 187 brake horsepower, Euro 6 diesel engine, which is compliant with the ultra low emission zones. Car was first registered April 2017. It's covered just over 85,000 miles, one owner from new, with a full service history comprising 5 services, 4 of which were done by Volvo. It was last serviced February 2022 at 85,000 miles. That included the cambelt, water pump change, auxiliary belt, front and rear brake pads, 4 brand new tyres, full set of wiper blades. So the car is fully prepared for sale. MOT is valid through until the 25th of June 2022 with no advisories. Finished in magic blue metallic. The D4 engine produces 119 grams of CO2, so it's £155 a year road tax. As with the exterior of this Volvo, the interior likewise is in very good condition for its age and mileage. It features the full charcoal leather interior, heated front seats, electric memory driver's seat. The car's got a number of nice factory options, including rear 360-degree camera, as well as the pilot facility. Have an electric tilt slide sunroof also, which is an option. Has a quick clear heated front windscreen, privacy glass, adaptive cruise control, lane assist with blind spot monitoring, as well as cornering lighting with LED headlights and daytime running lights. Infotainment wise, satellite navigation, AM/FM radio, as well as DAB radio, auxiliary USB, Bluetooth connectivity for phone and Bluetooth music streaming. Car features keyless entry as well as keyless start, along with the power tailgate. Be supplied with both remote control keys. There's a full set of tailored carpet mats, space saver spare wheel, all tools are present, along with a locking wheel bolt. The car is fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away the same day as viewing. Should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you'll find full information regarding warranties on offer, part exchange form, customer testimonials, as well as our interactive finance calculator, giving the ability to apply for a low rate loan online in minutes. Thank you for watching this latest video, and should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch. Thank you.